hello people, I have got wonderful video tutorial for you. When you work with PBR shaders and you want to import into 3ds Max, I will show you a couple of my renders because I done it today. I was struggling, but finally I done it from a render. How to import PBR shaders. And I will show you a couple of the renders. That one isn't correct, but I will show you that one. This is one of the renders. This is it looks very realistic, but to be honest with you, I use the separate maps to achieve that. Also this, and I will show you what to do. I rendered in high resolution 2K. Also I applied the displays map. I think the best render I can show you is that one. You can see even details. We will have to connect properly all together those maps. I think I downloaded that map. I will use that map. Okay. Wait a minute. Why don't I have... I don't have everything included here. Oh no, this is not okay, because I should have metallic map. I will check that map, because I need important map. That one I will use Unity, Unreal Engine or Unity. Oh no, I don't have everything, but I will show you. I would like to check that map. Stainless steel, Unreal Engine. This is what I want to use today. We got metallic map, height map, ambient occlusion. I don't know how to use ambient occlusion yet, but I know how to use this map, and this is preview of the map. And I will have to zoom in a little bit. Wait a minute. Do I see this correctly? Oh yes, this is that one. It looks very strange. Wait a minute, I need to switch to different viewport. Oh, I can even see reflections in viewport. Okay, we need to replace that material. If you want to have more space, you can use option like utilities, reset material editor slots, and you... come on, 3ds Max, faster. Get material. We need to get a standard surface, which is to do with Arnold. Okay. Now I will have to choose this window. Base color, big map. Also I wanted to tell you something. Keep in mind when you import material, you choose this option to overwrite, so your map will be a little bit brighter. After that, I will scroll down my mouse button, diffuse roughness. We need to import. Also use option overwrite, very important. In specular roughness, we need the same map. And we need to have mechaliness map. And I will get back to you. I would rather to choose this option. I'm very interested in how does how that will look like. I will have to change the name of the map. Sky, yes, still. I'm not sure if I wrote it down correctly. Forgive me if I. And I will make a copy and I will put to library. We will have to check if our map is being rendered correctly. Sorry for my English. Not good English. I try to do my best. I don't know why this is showing up like this material. Oh, I will leave as it is because I don't have time to adjust. I will have to check if map shows up correctly. Because we imported a legal map. This is like standard map, but we have used the Alvigo. You can see reflections. It should be more visible because Arnold is rendering. It should. I forgot to mention something. You can see some reflections. Oh no, I forgotten to check one option. Sorry, people. I completely forgotten. I can still use this option here, mechaliness. I think this is still important to use anisotropy. I will check this option because this is quite interesting, so I can use index of refraction. I will increase little bit. I think now it should be better, but as you could see my previous renders, in next video tutorial I wanted to show you how to use diffuse bounces to make a render brighter or darker. Actually I used this is actually all the render. Okay, you can see this is one of my best renders. You can see this has a diffuse map in it. That one is titanium, but it doesn't have diffuse map. Okay, I can see. Oh, now it looks better. We increase the little bit mechaliness. You can see. Oh, here. I still have to wait a couple minutes more. But this will look definitely better. You can see reflection. That means we are doing our render properly. I think final render will look much better. I showed you how to mix shaders. I hope you like my video tutorial. I hope my video doesn't have to be too long. See you guys.